It was around, I was about 10 or 12 years old, the first time that a priest asked me if I'd ever thought about being a priest. And that thought had never really occurred to me before. And so I met this great group of Catholics at IUPUI, and that was the first time that I had seen authentically, young people authentically living out their faith. And that was something attractive, something I'd never really seen before. And from there, they invited me to a conference, a large Catholic conference, and I was very hesitant at first to go, but I decided to go anyway. And so while I was there, that was the first time that I had a profound encounter with Christ, and it's just been constant pursuit of praying and asking and spending time in prayer every day, and asking the Lord what He wants for my life. And through a lot of talks with friends and priests, I've found my way into seminary, and I finally have found that peace that I was searching for and longing for. And I believe that this is where I'm being called and where I'm going.